1 bell tower, 2 bell towers, 3 bell towers. Oh well, are you there? What am I doing? Well, I count the bell towers. Some people, to fall asleep, count sheeps and I count bell towers. That's logical when you live in the city of 100 bell towers. By the way, do you know the origin of this nickname of Rouen? Nope? So lie down, close your eyes and I'll tell you all about it. We will go back in time to 1831 and we will slip behind Victor Hugo, who is writing a collection of poems entitled, The Autumn Leaves. It is in this collection that Victor Hugo evokes for the first time the 100 bell towers concerning the city of Rouen. We can read the following verses. Friends. It is therefore Rouen, the city of old streets, of old towers, remnants of extinct races, the city of 100 bell towers chiming in the air. Well, I'm getting to know you and you say to yourself, are there really 100 bell towers in Rouen? So the answer is yes and no. That's a typical Norman answer. Before 1789, the answer would have been yes, as there were 104. But with the Revolution and World War II, many were destroyed. Today, the answer is no, and there are only 38.